Hello, students, and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh, and today I'm going to discuss the Punjab State Cooperative Bank Senior Manager, and the data entry operator. I'll do the data entry operator video on some other day, but today we are going to focus on the senior manager and the manager post, right? I'm going to conduct the classes for that, proper classes karenge is pe. And let's start with the details. Before starting the details, let me tell you what are the contents of the course. We are going to provide the video classes, notes, and then there will be a chapter-wise test, and maybe even that's proper. Right now, we are working on the proper test series as well. And within next few days, if you have the time, we'll be doing the test series as well. But as of now, we are focusing on the full-length course. My name is Ramandeep Singh, and I'm teaching on bankexamstudy.com and this YouTube channel from last 8 years. And I have taught thousands of students and helped them to clear their competitive exams, let it be scale 1, scale 2, and scale 3. Number of vacancies are 60 vacancies for the manager and 40 vacancies for the senior manager, right? 60 for the manager and 40 for the senior manager. Notification date was like 28th of April, but the last date to apply is today, 4th of June. आज last date है apply करने का. Please apply as soon as possible. For the senior manager, post graduation with the 50% marks from any recognized university, right? Post graduation with 50% marks, or MBA, MFC with 50% marks from any recognized university, or if you're a chartered accountant, graduation with 55% marks from any recognized university, or graduation from any recognized university and CAIIB. So if you are a graduate with 50% marks and you have done your CAIIB, you are eligible. If you are a graduate with 55% marks, you are eligible. If you are a postgraduate, 50% marks. If you are a chartered accountant, no requirement of minimum marks, you are eligible. If you are a CA, you are eligible. You must have Punjabi language in the class, and 10वीं में आपके पास Punjabi language होनी चाहिए. So if you don't have the Punjabi language in your class 10 examination, then you are not eligible. If you are from Haryana, Delhi, if you didn't have Punjabi language in the matric, then you are not eligible. And the candidate who have not passed a matric, then the candidates who has not passed the Punjabi language of matric standard shall have to pass the same within 2 years from the date of appointment. In case you don't, if you don't have the Punjabi in the 10th, then you'll be given 2 years, and within 2 years you need to pass that particular exam, right? Which is not that difficult. 2 years is a long time. You'll be given time to learn the language. Okay. So essential experience required. Candidate must have been recruited directly as a scale 1 officer. If you have cracked the IBPS PO equivalent, right, and should have possessed a 5 years work experience of working as scale 1 officer in any public sector bank. अगर आप as a PO काम कर रहे हो, then you are eligible. If you have a 5-year experience as an assistant manager in any Punjab State Cooperative Bank or any central cooperative bank, then you are eligible. Minimum 5 years of experience as grade A officer in NABARD, RBI, then you are eligible. Very strict eligibility criteria, right? But for the manager, this is not the case, right? See, for the senior manager, they gave you 2 years, right? They give you 2 years for the Punjabi language. अगर आपके पास नहीं है पंजाबी लैंग्वेज 2 साल में कर लो. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर नहीं है, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया. तो ये एक डिफरेंस है. Age as on age as on 1st of January 2021, 18 to 37 years. Relaxations are available. ठीक है, वो पढ़ लें. Mode of selection for the senior manager, banking का separate है chapter section. 40 marks to the banking, computer application, reasoning ability, cognitive aptitude, general awareness, right? And then the English language, 100 marks. Then for the manager, one thing to be noticed is that यहाँ पे general awareness and banking का 60 marks है. यहाँ पे general awareness banking just 35 marks. Rest of the you can see reasoning ability, cognitive aptitude 15 marks, right? English 15 marks. यहाँ पे 10 mark का था. ठीक है. Then the syllabus for the senior manager and the manager is almost same, but senior manager में laws भी आ जाएंगे, right? So impact यहाँ पे देख लीजिए सबसे important जो point निकल के आता है बैंकिंग में, that is RBI के circulars. RBI, if you are already preparing for the IBPS RRB GBO or the Scale 3, जो GBO का पेपर होता है, Scale 3 का पेपर होता है IBPS RRB का, सिलेबस ऑलमोस्ट वैसा ही है, राइट? RBI के सर्कुलर्स, राइट, RBI सर्कुलर्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पे ये जो सिलेबस है ये ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन से लिया है मैंने, बट ऑल इन ऑल इट इज़ एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई रिकमेंड ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स कि सबसे पहले RBI के सर्कुलर्स करें. This is the impact of government policy regulation on the banking industry. What is the government policy? Government क्या policy देता है? RBI ही वो सारी policies देता है. Measures and evaluation of performance of banks, prudential norms का एक RBI circular है. Asset liability management, managing the investment portfolios, liquidity positions, liquidity and reserve management, managing pricing deposit services, providing loans to businesses and consumers, risk management, balance sheet, international banking, treasury management, economic analysis, business mathematics. See students, first of all, इसको समझना syllabus को मे भी थोड़ा difficult लगे, but all in all RBI के circulars आ जाते हैं, right? उसके बाद जो financial management आपने शायद अगर करा होगा BCom या MBA में, that is the one, FM, ratio analysis, cash flow statement, right? If you have already done capital budgeting, how to calculate annualized returns, right? ये सब जो है this is from the business mathematics वाले portion में आ जाता है. Calculate that EMIs and all. Financial statement analysis is important. Risk management में basics of derivatives, right? That's what we are going to cover. So ऊपर वाला यहाँ तक का जो सारा portion है, that is most of these are like ये RBI के circulars ही हैं. These are all in all RBI circulars. Prudential norms का एक RBI का circular है, which was a lengthy circular, which we have already covered. All in all, you are supposed to go through at least last 1.5 years of RBI circulars and master circulars, and then in the risk management, it is all about derivatives, right? The types of derivatives, the hedging, and then the balance sheet management, financial statement analysis. आपको balance sheet पढ़नी आनी चाहिए, आपको पता हो कि ratio analysis आपको आना चाहिए. Ratio analysis is important. In international banking, it is again, I would say, part of that RBI circulars again. Treasury management, economic analysis, and business mathematics, right? So all in all, I have already explained the syllabus is similar to RBI, to IBPS, RRB, GBO, Scale 2, Scale 3 level exams. Then Banking and Cooperative Act is important. Advanced money, credit management. अभी credit management में क्या क्या आता है? First of all, the financial statement analysis is there. Then the concepts like duration, वो बहुत advanced level पे चले जाते हैं, लेकिन basics उसके कर लें, right? Convexity, duration. Even see यहाँ पे आपके जो risk management भी already given है, तो डेरिवेटिव बेसिक से कर लें. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट लिख तो दिया, लेकिन HRM इज अ फुल फ्लेज सब्जेक्ट. HRM एक सब्जेक्ट है. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू टू गो रियली इन डेप्थ. बेसिक्स HRM के करने इज आई वुड रिकमेंड, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू. यहाँ पे क्रेडिट मैनेजमेंट पे लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट, लेटर ऑफ गारंटी, राइट, सच टॉपिक्स, टाइप्स ऑफ लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट, द प्रोसेस, दैट्स important. Let's move forward. Computer application, that it'll be basic. There will be basics of computer applications, classification of computers, वही history of computers, network topologies, input output devices, computer hardware, software, right? नंबर सिस्टम कंप्यूटर. यहाँ पे नंबर सिस्टम जो है मोस्ट ऑफ यू, मुझे नहीं लगता आपने किया होगा. नंबर सिस्टम थोड़ा अलग है, इसे कर लीजिएगा. बाकी इज़ नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, फंक्शंस ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, हाउ इट वर्क्स, राइट? It's not that difficult at all. Reasoning ability, it's not similar to PO level exams because there is non-verbal reasoning like mirror images, cubes, dices, grouping identical figures, embedded figures. This is it's not common in that PO level exams. ये PO level exams में नहीं है, so we need to do that. And then the verbal reasoning, the simple number series, alphabetical series, direction sense test, coding, decoding, number ranking, arithmetical reasoning, problem based on ages, calculation, blood relation, analogy, decision making. Puzzles are not there, lengthy puzzles. I'm not expecting lengthy puzzles and sitting arrangement, but this is something that that maybe you are missing. Don't miss that, okay? आजकल के जो पीओ लेवल के पेपर होते हैं बहुत सारे यूट्यूब चैनल्स पे, अगर आप रीजनिंग पढ़ रहे हो, ये कोई नहीं करवाता है, ये हम करवाएंगे. Quantitative aptitude, this is almost similar to the PO level exams, but mensuration is there, which is very not very common when the PO level exams. बाकी same है, number system, LCM, HCF, simplification, decimal fractions, ratio and proportion, unitary method, percentage, time, speed and distance, problem based on trains, time and work, profit and loss, averages, simple compound interest, mensuration, algebra and data interpretation. It is quite similar to PO level exams, but इसमें mensuration एक एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक है, इसमें पूरा नॉन वर्बल एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक है. जनरल अवेयरनेस, इट स्टार्ट विद द करंट अफेयर्स. इट इज़ क्वाइट सिमिलर टू पीओ लेवल एग्जाम्स. मेजर फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक न्यूज़, तो इन्होंने क्लियरली लिख दिया मेजर फाइनेंशियल इकोनॉमिक न्यूज़, सो इट इज़ नॉट एग्जैक्टली पीओ लेवल का करंट अफेयर, राइट. So whatever is happening in the financial industry, in the banking industry, is way more important than the general current affair जो आम होते हैं. Budgets, who's who, sports, economy with the special reference to Punjab, geography with special reference to Punjab, awards and honors, science, abbreviation, history with special reference to Punjab, international national organization, the questions regarding the Banking and Cooperative Societies Act. It's very important, right? In the English, there will be error correction, tenses, sentence rearrangement, fill in the blanks, comprehensions, articles, preposition, vocabulary, synonym, antonym. द पेपर वुड बी एट पार, ईजियर देन पीओ. पीओ से भी ईजी होगा क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई टेंसेज या सिनोनिम एंटोनिम आजकल पूछते नहीं, यहाँ पे पूछे जाएंगे. इंग्लिश आई कैन गारंटी यू वुड बी ईजी. जनरल अवेयरनेस में बिकॉज देयर इज हिस्ट्री एंड जोग्राफी, पंजाब हिस्ट्री एंड जोग्राफी इज देयर, लिटिल फ्यू क्वेश्चन वुड बी देयर. 3-3 4-4 क्वेश्चन आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ वाई आई वुड से इस पर मेहनत लगेगी. तो मैनेजर का जो सिलेबस है इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर, कुछ खास फ़र्क नहीं है. कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन में, रीजनिंग में, क्वांट में, even general जो awareness, it is almost similar, but one thing that you can notice is जो banking का syllabus है वो manager का कम है. But still I would recommend you, because you are appearing for the manager exam, still I mean if they clearly mention general awareness and banking, do RBI के circulars. It will hardly take 4-5 days to do the complete RBI के circulars. No matter from where you are preparing, कहाँ से तैयारी कर रहे हो, RBI के circulars पढ़ लें, उससे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे ही आएंगे, ठीक है. बैंकिंग में, बिकॉज व्हाट इज बैंकिंग इन इंडिया, आरबीआई मैनेजेस दैट, यू नो, आरबीआई मॉनिटर्स दैट, आरबीआई कंट्रोल्स दैट, तो उससे आगे कुछ भी नहीं है ना. तो वो ज़रूर करें. बाकी के टॉपिक में बता दिए. पंजाबी, मैं पंजाबी नहीं पढ़ाऊँगा, राइट. मुहावरे, अखान, दिते मेरे को नहीं आता है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट दिस. दिस इज़ द सिलेबस, ये दिया हुआ है सिलेबस. और लिंग पुलिंग, एक वचन, बहुवचन, बहुत शब्दां दी एक शब्द. सी मेरी पंजाबी उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, आई डोंट थिंक सो. So I don't think I can teach this subject, and anybody in my team can teach this. I don't think so. So I'm sorry about this thing, right? So you need to, just pick any class 10th book and do it yourself. I don't think I can help you with that. I don't think मैं कर पाऊँगा ये. Then the English, it is same as a senior manager. And then our success story students, you should go through this. IBPS, RRB, GBO Scale 2, Scale 3, 2020. All these students that took our courses and they cracked their respective exams in IBPS, RRB Scale 2, Vijaya Bank Credit Officer, Bank of India Credit Officer, Bank of Baroda Wealth Management. All these students that took our courses and they cracked their respective exams. And I recommend you to join my class. Link is available in the description. आप लिंक में जाके जो है ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ देर इज़ एनी डाउट, this is my WhatsApp number 9067201000. This is my WhatsApp number. Just drop me a WhatsApp message, or links are available in the description. Just join the class. See you in the class, right? And just start watching the sessions. If there is any doubt in your mind, WhatsApp me or post your comment, and I'm going to answer you as quickly as possible. That's all for today, students. If there is any doubt, this is a live session. Let me check if anybody is having any doubt. I'm not expecting many students, right? मैं इतने ज़्यादा student expect नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Just because some of the local student requested me कि सर आप कर लो. That is why I'm doing this class, right? So that's all for today, students. Links are available in the description. I'm doing this for my special students. There are 3. I'm doing this for just 3 students. मेरे सिर्फ 3 students हैं. आई नो मेरे बाकी के कोर्सेज में बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, वैसे सिर्फ 30 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. सिर्फ 3 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. अगर किसी और ने ज्वाइन करना कर लें. My number is there. कहीं पे भी दिक्कत आती है except the Punjabi language, please मुझसे पूछिए and I'm going to answer you. And that's actually all for today, students. Subscribe to the channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. And within next few days, I'll be sharing, important notes for this exam on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel name is Bank Exams Today again. I'll be sharing the link in the description as well. And that's actually all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day.